Ask yourself, is that really a person? He set up a camera to investigate the strange noises coming from the forest, but what he captured was far more unsettling than he could have imagined. In rural Georgia, a homeowner had been hearing odd, disturbing sounds emanating from the woods behind his house. One night, curious and determined, he decided to figure out what was out there. He set up a camera with audio recording and left it running overnight. The footage he reviewed the next morning left him frozen in shock. A deep, distant voice calls out, followed by a low, rumbling growl that didn't resemble any known animal sound. He sent the audio to wildlife experts, biologists, anyone who could offer a logical explanation.